Hello, dear traders. My name is Nick, and welcome to our third stream. About Trading Lab. Yes, and today we are going to speak more about trading psychology and money management. So the things that actually that are leading to the losing of money. So we are going to discuss why so many traders are losing their money. So my friends, if you are not still subscribed to our channel, please do this. So don't forget to subscribe so that you won't miss anything. And please don't forget that we have social networks, so where you can leave your comments, your feedback, yeah, so where you can discuss something, and so that would be great. Well, at first, let's check the sound and the picture. If everything's okay, so please leave comments in the chat so that I will see that everything is fine, that we can start speaking. So hello Deepak, well, nice to meet you. I have lost all my money I had. Well, kind of bad. So we are going to discuss why are traders losing their money. So sound and picture is okay. So my colleague is in chart. So my colleagues are helping me with the chart, and actually, so please pay attention that the promo code is pinned in the chart. So it's lab 30. It gives you plus 30% to your account. So till July the 3rd, yeah, so till Saturday. Sounds not good, so good to go. Okay, so that's good. So love from Malaysia. So Malaysia, hello. Hello, nice to meet you. Nice to see you all, my friends. So greetings to Malaysia too. So my friends, so let's start with the following. I'm going to switch my screen into the platform so that you will see. So by the way, so today I'm going to give you prices, of course, yes, and so we are going to have to actually I'm going to choose like the winners, who will get prizes. Yeah, so who will get prizes. Okay, so wait a second, please. Wait a second. I have like a little problem here. Yep, and then we'll continue speaking. Good. Okay, so let's do this way. Mhm. So just wait a second, my friends. Mhm. Well. So while you are waiting, my friends, so please write your questions in the chat. So let's discuss. So what's going on? So with your accounts, and how is it going? Okay, well, I see that still there are prices. There are okay. Well, that's good. That's good. So everything is fine. Everything is fine. Okay, so my friends, so let me switch into the platform and show you so what's going on right now. Yes, and so well, as you can see, my friends, I have my accounts, my USD accounts, and right now there is like $200 on my account. So please, my friends, so please, what do you think? So which sum of money should I use to trade? So please write this in the chat so that we will be able to discuss these things. Okay, so while you are writing, so I'm going to look at the present situation, and I'm going to find so where we can open our first trades. Yeah, so let's look at Euro USD and the 5 minutes time frame. So my friends, well, as you can see, well, right now Euro is falling down against the United States dollar, and actually, so this is a good chance to open a trade down on FTT. So let me check. Let me choose Euro USD here. Yes, and so the question is, what amount of money should I use? $2, 2%. Deepak is writing. So Mohammed is writing 2%. From 5 till $10. Okay, 10%. To 10%. Okay, so from 2 till 10. in general, so as I understood you, yes, if I understood you correctly, so you tell me that from 2 to till 10. Well, actually, my friends, so this is a really important thing, yeah, so that we have to understand. So if I use, for example, only like 50% from my account or even 100% from my account, my risks will be like really high, yes, well, as you understand. So if I lose even 50% from my accounts, I will need to make at least 100% to get back, to get my money back. Yes, well, in this case, so my risks is quite high. So what in this case, I need to limit the amount of money that I can use in my trades. Well, and as you understand, so well, you are absolutely right, my friends. Well, actually, it's better to use from 2 till 5% from my account. Yes, and in this case, my friends, well, actually, if I have $200 on my account, well, so let's say that if I'm using 5% from $200, so this amount should be like $10 only, $10 only. So let's try to open a trade down for 10 minutes. Down trade. So this will be the first trade. Again, so I'm opening this trade because you see, well, the trend is mostly bearish. Yeah, so you see that the trend, the price is getting down. Well, in this case, of course, it's better to trade mostly down. So my friends, from 2 till 5% from your account. And as you understand, so this is one of possible reason so why traders are losing their money, because actually, so they are trying to trade on a bigger amount of money, Actually, on the market there are two, so let's say so two types of like fish that can attack you. Yes. So the first one is so these are sharks. So sharks, so they are biting. So let's say so they are biting a lot of money from your account. So for example, if I start trading not just on $10, but on $100 or $200 even, so on the whole amount of my money. So, and if I'm losing money, well, in this case, of course, it will be really difficult for me to get my money back. So these are sharks. So when sharks are attacking, so they are biting, well, so let's say so big parts from their victims, yes? And this is the first, actually, so the first thing, because, well, the first reason, so why traders are losing their money. And the second reason, my friends, so the second fish, yes, so let's say so these are piranhas. So what are piranhas? So for example, if I trade on $10 only, but I lose my money, and well, and I start losing my money just partly, yes, so just step by step. So when piranhas are attacking their victims, they are biting like small pieces from their victims, but still the results will be absolutely the same. So I will lose like the whole amount of my account, or maybe the biggest part of my account, but in a longer period of time, as you understand. So how can you protect your account from sharks, and how can you protect your account from piranhas? There are two possible ways. So the first one, so to protect yourself from sharks, you need to limit the amount of money. The trades, yeah, so the amount of money in your trades. So again, from 2 till 5%. From 2 till 5%. As for piranhas, my friends, so here is a really important thing to understand. So if you continue losing the money, yes, if you continue losing the money from your account, so just maybe not the whole amount, or just if you see that step by step, all your trades well, they are not fine, yeah, so you're losing the money. In this case, it's better to stop. So that's what you have to understand. So nobody forces you to trade all the time. Yes. So you need to make pauses. To actually, so to test your strategy, to test what's going on. So let's check. So how our trade is going. So right now, so the price is almost. Oh well, right now it's in minus already. Yes, well as you can see. So but still we have time, so we can wait. So my friends, so while we are waiting, so let's look at another assets to trade. So I will choose the assets only with the biggest rate of return, yeah, so 80%. And so while I'm choosing the assets, so while I'm trading, so I'll look at your comments. So where is Angie? Muhammad is asking. So my friends, as for Angie, so she will be well, sorry, so she will actually take part in our lab later, yeah, so don't be afraid. She did not disappear, yeah, so she will come soon. Also, so I earned demo account 7 days. Okay, so there should be a bonus for those who are small traders who deposit 50 to till 10 to till $100 first time. So actually we have the bonus. So right now, so you have a promo code, so which you can use. Good. So I trade in demo accounts but also lose. What to do for that? Actually, so you need to test the strategy first. Of course, so don't open real accounts. So if you are losing money on demo, my friends, yeah. So just try to pay attention to these two. So let's have a look. So how our trade is going. So right now it's in zero. Yes, it's neutral. So the price and now in plus. So while we are waiting for our trades, so let's continue analyzing the market, yes, and then we'll speak more about trading psychology. Well, as we can see right now, well, on the United States dollar and Japanese yen, the price started getting down, there is a reversal signal, yes, and as you can see from Japanese candlesticks, so you see that, well, the price started to drop. Also, so I will use horizontal lines to set support and resistance levels. And as you can see, well, right now the price has reached the resistance level, and now we see that the price is falling down. Well, in this case, I will try to open a down trade here. Yeah, so I'll try to trade against the United States dollar. And now, so actually, so while we are waiting for our trade to be closed, so I will use only 2% from my account. Yeah, so it's around $200. Yes, so in this case, so let's say that I'll trade so what do we have? Yeah, so $200. Oh well, okay, well the price is still okay, well it's still okay, so I will trade on $2 only. Okay, so $2 only, so $2 down trade for 10 minutes. Okay, so I see that actually everything is fine right now. Oh well, no, well, euro reversed. Okay, so my friends, why are people losing their money too? So the problem is also in trading psychology, as you understand. So traders, they cannot protect themselves from these, so let's say, so fish, yes, from sharks, from piranhas, because of the trading psychology. And here we actually we have two problems with our trading psychology. So the first problem is so let's say so this is greed. Yes, this is greed and this is fear. Yes, so greed. Actually, well, as for greed, we try to make profit really fast. Well, traders who are too greedy, they are trying to make profit really fast. They are increasing the amount of their trades. So this is the first thing. The second thing, so they're trying so let's say so to use like risky trading strategies to trade. So this is important too, yeah. And in this case, because of this, yes, so traders, they start losing their money. Yes, well, and as for the greed, my friends, well, you need to understand that you should be greedy. It's important to be greedy, but it's important to be so let's say so not so greedy. Okay, so let's say so there should be a limit for your greed. Yes, greed restrictions, so let's say so actually, my friends, speaking about greed, well, I know that you left the comments below the previous video. So below the video with Angie and Yaroslav, they had a really great stream about platform assets and platform features. And actually, we promised to you to raffle risk-free trades from those of you who left the comments in a comment section. So, well, as sorry, as you can see, well, there are plenty of comments. So, what I'm going to do right now, yes, I'm going to try to raffle like three prizes, three risk-free trades for those of you who left the comments. So let's take the random comment. So this is Shazim Ali. Well, Shazim Ali, the upcoming traders way must have some strategies, some tips on Forex. Shazim, you are absolutely right, by the way. So you are absolutely right. Well, by the way, unfortunately, so you did not leave your ID number. So, well, in this case, Shazim, so please leave your ID number below this video or in the chat. So if you are in chat right now, and we'll give you your price, we'll give you risk-free trades. Well, Shazim Ali is in the chat. Well, I see Shazim, please leave your ID number so that we'll be able to give you risk-free trades. Okay. So by the way, so how are our trades? Well, the first one was closed in minus. Unfortunately, my friends, well, euro rose against the United States dollar. As you can see, well, as for the volatility is quite high right now, so this is because of like lower time frames. Well, as for the second one, so the second trade is in plus right now, yeah, so it's in plus. Okay, so Shazim, okay, so ID number 755-94361. Thank you very much, Shazim. Thank you very much. Great. From India. Well, India. Greetings to India, by the way, my friends. Okay, so let's choose another winner. Let's choose another winner. Okay, so Anup Sharma. Anup Sharma has left a comment. Well, this is not a real comment, by the way, so this is more a question. But anyway, so Anup is asking, so hey Angie, so what is your Instagram ID? Anup, well, I guess Angie has got an Instagram, but I'm not sure that she will be able to give you her personal ID number. Well, anyway, thank you very much for your comments. And also, so you did not leave the ID number. So if you are in the chat, please leave your ID number. If not, so you may do this below this video, okay? So below this video in the comment section, and we'll give you the risk-free trades, okay? And let's choose the third winner. Okay. Think ER. Thanks for the webinar. As always, it was easy to understand. Only thing I guess was not covered about status was in how many days with the withdrawal request is processed and how many days it's credited to your wallet. Well, actually, it's pretty fast. If you have any questions about money withdrawals or money transferings, you may ask our tech support team, my friends. So we have colleagues who are, well, really professional in such questions and responsible for such questions. So the ID number of Think eCar is 57598-058. So thank you very much and congratulations. Well, Anup Sharma, so if you are in chat, so leave. Anup is here. Okay, so thank you very much, Anup. Okay, so ID 666-666-85-966. Thank you. Thank you, Anup. Congratulations. Okay, so let's return back to the platform, my friends. Let's return back. Okay, well, our second trade is in minus too. Oh, that's a pity. that's a pity. Well, the United States dollar started rising, well, I guess. So this is because of the economic calendar, I guess. Yeah, so we have ADP non-farm, which is published in 10 minutes. It's too bad, well, for us. Well, okay, so let's have a look at other assets. So Australian dollar and the United States dollar. So you see, my friends, so while the trading statistics, while the economic statistics, it's really hard to use technical analysis to trade. So that's why, okay, so well, I see that the United States dollar, so sorry, the New Zealand dollar and Canadian dollar, so the trend is bearish and it's quite strong. So then New Zealand dollar is falling down. So I will try to trade down in this case, my friends. So maybe I'll be able uh, to uh, to reimburse something. Yeah, so I will trade on $5 only. Okay, so this is around like this is what? This is around like 2%. Yeah, so from my account down. Okay, and so while we are trading, my friends, we'll speak about second psychological mistakes for most of the traders. So this is fear. So again, the first one is greed and the second one is fear. So what is fear? Fear, it's when you're afraid to open trades. So when you are not sure in yourself. Yeah, so actually sometimes it happens to many traders, not just to newbies, but also for experienced traders too. So people, traders, they start, you see, well, they are not sure. Yes, so do I want to open this trade or not? Yes, and in this case, so they can miss lots of like quite profitable opportunities. So that's what you have to understand. That's what you have to you know, to fix. Yeah, so that actually you may lose a chance to open profitable trades just because you're afraid of something. Yes, and that's a pity too. By the way, my friends. So how can we fight against fear and greed? So my friends, we suppose that it's better to have a trading diary and to make notes about your trades. So for example, so if I open a trade, I need to fix so what I opened, why did I do this, what amount of money did I use, yes, and what is really important, I need to note, to write, yes, what was my emotional condition at this moment, yes, so how did I feel, yes, when I opened this trade. Because, if my trades are profitable, I need to fix this condition. I need to remember this condition so that in the future I will be ready to repeat this condition. Yes, and of course, if I make mistakes, yes, I need to understand. So why am I making them? Yes, and in this case, so reading the trading diary, I will be able to understand what's going on in my mind. Okay, so money management. Don't invest more than 2% in trade. So Muhammad, you're absolutely right. Absolutely right. So wipe all capital in demo accounts in 3 times. What I do? Well, this is a really good, actually, recommendation, a really good advice. If you are not sure in your real accounts, if you are not sure in your trading strategy, so try to double or even like triple, yes, or maybe, yeah, demo accounts, the sum of money on your demo accounts, yes, and in this case, you will be able to apply your trading strategy on the real accounts, yes, and you will be able to understand so what's going on in your mind with your trading psychology. So, how many percentage of profit to be considered while trading with respect to capital? Sorry, I don't understand the question. So actually, for to be a professional trader, to be a professional trader, so that's what you have to understand. So if you are making around like 20-30% to your account, uh, you may consider yourself as a professional. So let's say so from 20 till 30% or even more. Yes. If less, then in this case, of course, it's better to test your strategy again. So to do something with your strategy. Yes. Maybe to use demo accounts again or something like that. Useful tutorial, more love from South Africa. Well, South Africa, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Nick, how to prepare yourself mentally before daily trading and how to control your emotions day by day and improve your psychological level. Deepak, you see, well, there is a special technique which is called a tutor. So this is one of possible techniques. Imagine that somebody is sitting next to you, just next to you. So this somebody is a student. So he's a newbie who does not understand anything. Yes, and what may you do in this case? So you may try to explain to him or her so what you are doing. Yeah, so actually this will help you to concentrate. Yes, and this will help you. So if you you see if you are speaking with yourself all the time. Yeah, so if you are explaining to yourself, well, I mean to your imaginary friends in this case, your imaginary students in this case, all the time, so what you are doing, be sure that actually it will help you a lot. From Indonesia, greetings Indonesia. Okay, so Jamil from Pakistan, where is the key to successful trading? So that's what we are discussing right now, Alibaba. So this is a good trading strategy, which includes good entry points, plus good money management, plus good trading psychology. So my friends, our third trade, so right now it's in plus, or well, not in plus, but our FTT is, well, right now it's in money. It's fluctuating around the opening price, and still we have 4 minutes. And while we have 4 minutes, my friends, I think that we'll do the following. So we are going to play a game. Okay, so let me open the full screen first. Yes, and now I'm going to open a PowerPoint presentation where I will show you questions. And the task for you will be to give me answers, my friends, to give me answers so that I will be ready to choose 3 winners more and give you more risk-free trades, my friends. So again, so I'm returning back. So when you see the question, so please leave the answer in the chat. Leave the answer in the chat. Okay, so let's do this way. Oh, well, the first question is, you have $100 on your account. What is the maximum amount of money to open a trade? To the maximum amount of money? Well, according to the money management. By the way, Black, so this is a question for you too. Yes. So what is the maximum amount of money? So please, the answer and your ID. So my friends, Mohammed, $5. Yusuf Pasha, 100. So 100 is too much. This is the whole amount of money. So this is the whole deposit. 5%. My feeds, Jarin, Alibaba 2. Funny, okay, 10. 5. Well, my friends, of course, so the correct answer is $5. So Mohammed, you were the first. Thank you very much. So please leave your ID number so that we'll be able to give you risk-free trades. Mohammed Khan. Yes. Excuse me for mispronouncing your names or surnames, so sometimes they're quite difficult for me, as you understand. Mohammed, so please leave your ID number in the chat. Thank you very much. So 609 80020. Okay, so just like this. My friends, the second question. So look, the second question is the following. So what are 2 main psychological factors on the market? 2 main psychological factors. The things that we have just discussed. So 2 main obstacles for traders in general, so let's say so. Two words. Two words, my friends. Two words. Greed and fear. Mohammed, thank you very much. You are absolutely right again. So greed and fear. Fear and greed. Yes, my friends. So again, so you're afraid to trade. And sometimes, well, sometimes it's hope too. Yeah, so fear, greed, and hope. But in general, so my friends, two main obstacles for all traders. So this is their greed and this is their fear. Okay, well, Mohammed was the first again. Mohammed, thanks a lot. So, great, great, great. And my third question, my friends, my third question is, so how can we stabilize our psychological condition? What can we do to, to get rid of, fear, to get rid of greed, to get rid of like psychological mistakes? What can we do? So we have discussed these two. We have discussed these two. What can we do? Mohan is writing underestimating graph with 4 minds. Well, risk management. Oh, well, Ankit is correct. Journaling, yes, or trading using the diary. Using the diary. Ankit, please. Your ID number. Your ID number. Well, Ankit was the first. Ankit Sangha. Ankit Sangha. Your ID number so that we'll be able to give you risk-free trades too. Okay? Using the diary, my friends. So you, well, of course you need to concentrate, to relax, to do all these things, my friends. But this is the most useful way to concentrate. Yes, because without the diary, so you may even so you may even become more absent-minded. Oh well. Money management, control emotions. That's it. Well, money management, control emotions, self-discipline. So you're absolutely right to increase the self-discipline. So you need to make a diary. Ankit, thank you very much. So the ID number is 609 609 16156. So my friends, so while we were speaking, while we were playing, so let's return back to the platform and see so what's going on. Luckily, my last trade was closed in plus. Actually, so everything was fine, but the first trade was unsuccessful. And in this case, my friends, so next time I will need to, well, a little bit decrease the amount of money, well, according to the money management strategy, yes? So, my friends, again, so don't forget that two main things are the parts of your strategy. So this is money management and this is trading psychology. Don't forget about these things too. Okay, so thank you very much for coming again. So if you are still not subscribed to our channel, please do this. We have like we have buttons on our YouTube channel, yeah, so to subscribe, yes, and ring the bell so that you will be able to get notifications, yes, and don't forget that we have social networks again, yeah, so my friends, so these social networks are for you to discuss something, to leave the feedback, to leave your comments and all that stuff. And also, my friends, after you see this video on YouTube, so you may leave comments below the video in a comment section, and next time my colleagues will raffle another prizes for you and will give you risk-free trades again. Thank you very much for coming today, my friends, and hope to see you all next time. See you. Bye-bye.